So if you haven't seen my original video about the alien hand found in Peru, check that out. There will be a link in the description and you can click on the little drop down menu above to see that. I'll give you a brief rundown. So basically these people in Peru, these UFO experts, found this strange looking limb and they were reluctant to have anyone test it, so they're being quite cautious. They don't want to get the government involved, but biologists and experts have supposedly tested this and it is definitely not human and it is definitely real skin and bone. So a lot of the outrage is whether this is an alien or not. People are saying, well, look at it, it's got long fingers. It's been found in an area where a lot of these sort of strange elongated skulls are found and things are starting to look pretty strange. Now it's still being tested on. The DNA tests have not been conclusive yet. The matter is quite old and it's decayed a bit. Originally, I thought that this might be from a bird, like a talon, maybe some kind of prehistoric primate of some sort, but what it's looking like now is that this could be the vestigial limb of a whale. Now, if you don't know what a vestigial limb is, basically it means something that did have a purpose and was there, but through the intermittent stages of evolution has started to get smaller and useless, basically. Since whales were once these small little dog-like land animals, they used to have 4 legs. Now, as we know, a lot of whales tend to have 2 flippers and that's it. They don't have the 4 quadrupedal flippers or anything like that. In a lot of cases, even modern whales today still have the hip girdle that you would see with something that had legs, but it's just sort of sitting there not doing anything because they don't need it anymore and they haven't yet evolved it away completely. In a few more primitive whales, there would actually be the limb itself, so you'd have an almost fully formed limb held inside the animal. If we look at the fossil record, a lot of them did look like this, so it is quite possible that this is a vestigial limb separated from the rest of the body for whatever reason, and maybe it was kept as like a prize or something like that. And at the moment, that is looking like the most likely explanation. Of course, if DNA tests come back and they say, this is nothing, this doesn't match any DNA on Earth, then we have a problem and this could be something pretty big and pretty interesting. But for the moment, let's remain skeptical and just see what comes out, okay? I'll keep you updated. Like this video if you did and you want me to make more of these. Follow me on Twitter if you want to see more regular updates. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe for more creepy content.